In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram from a computer and how you can upload pictures from your desktop or laptop easy and smooth just by using a hidden button that you already have, but most people don't even know it exists. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, the place where you can find important and valuable information on how you can make money online. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and remember that you can find all the links to everything we mentioned in this video down below in the description. Back to business. Instagram is mainly designed as a mobile app. You're actually supposed to upload from your phone using photos you took with your phone and in real time. But that doesn't work for everyone, especially if you're looking at Instagram as the great source of money that it sure is. We can start off by opening your favorite web browser. I will work with Google Chrome, which is the one I always recommend for all of the great add-ons or extensions you can install here that help a lot with many different day-to-day tasks. Now you want to go to the Instagram website. Just type in the URL www.instagram.com and hit enter. So here we land on the Instagram webpage. If you're into this huge social network as a business, then you definitely want to use Instagram with less effort and to be able to make more money in less time. Therefore, in this video, I will be showing you a tremendous tip that I use all the time, and that when I first found out about it, it made me feel thrilled because it really makes my workflow easier. And that is as simple as knowing how to post on Instagram from your laptop or from your desktop, and you don't even need to install anything. And you can scroll down and click on login. Here, you just log in as you usually do on your mobile. Just type in your phone number, your username, or your email, and then type in your password. Here, Google Chrome has saved for me the login information. And now, you just click on the blue button for login. And I'm just going to click now for turn on notifications. Here we are on our main dashboard. Now, if we take a quick look on this website, you see there are actually no buttons that allow us to post from our computer. And if we click here on our photo, we are taken to our profile page. And there are also no buttons that we can use to post or upload any photo from our computer. And remember that at the beginning of this video, I told you that we all have this hidden button that will allow us to post on Instagram. So the first thing we need to do is to make it appear. But before we get into the next step, if you're enjoying this video, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. We will try to personally reply to your comment. Okay, back to Instagram. We just right click on any part of our screen and go all the way down to the last option that says inspect and click there. Now this is going to show up some coding windows, which are just part of the developer tools that comes with this Google Chrome. Now you don't need to worry about any of this. We are just going to focus on this top bar where you will find this Toggle Device Toolbar button, which is the one that you'll need to click. And now click again. And now this is going to give us the mobile device mode. Now you can tell that you are in mobile device mode on your computer because it shows up this gray circle, which represents us if you are on your mobile, because it lets you scroll down and up just by holding and moving your mouse up and down, like if you were on your mobile phone. Now the next thing that you want to do is find your refresh button on the top of your browser next to the URL bar and click on reload this page, or what we call refresh. So after you've refreshed it, it basically loads it as a mobile app. So it shows up the button bar as you have it on your mobile phone, and here you have your button to go to your home page or to search. And of course now you can see the plus icon where you can click to upload a photo or create a post. But before we do that, you may want to close this window so you don't have to have these confusing windows anymore, and you can just close them by clicking on the close or the X button. So let's go ahead and make our first post. Let's click on the plus button and select the picture. Now click open. Now it's going to take you through the same process that you would go through on your mobile device, and depending on how you want to work with this, you can either work on this widescreen version, or you can right click again and click on inspect and show up the same windows that came up before, and you will see on this left side a smaller version that it will allow you to manipulate better as you are used to doing from your mobile phone. So you can actually resize the image, or you can just crop it in as however you want. And as you see down here, you also have the filter options which show up here at the bottom, and you can apply the same filters as you do on your mobile phone. After you're happy with your picture, then you can click next, and here you write your tags as you would on your mobile. So let's write some tags. So here we have web design, and after you've added your tags, you can also add your location. You can also tag people, and after you're satisfied with this part of your post, then you can just click on share. And there you go, you're sharing your first post from your computer. Your photo has been posted. So now your post is on Instagram, and you can check it from your mobile phone or from any other device that you've successfully posted from your computer. And of course, you can also use the other buttons that are available, and you can check here your recent activity, and you can go to your personal profile page from this button. Now I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tools and tutorials for building your successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when we upload a new video on making money online. And hey, if you want to get the most out of your Instagram account, then click and watch this next video to discover something very important that Instagram has incorporated to help grow your account way faster. With that being said, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.